Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing milk to concentrate flavor and fat. This creates the dense kulfi texture you need. Bring 1 liter whole milk to a steady simmer, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Once reduced by about half, add 100 grams sugar and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. These dissolve and infuse aroma. Stir in 2 tablespoons condensed milk to boost creaminess and speed chilling. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens slightly and coats the spoon, then remove from heat. Once the base is thick and cool, you must chill it quickly to create a rollable sheet. Pour the mixture into a shallow metal tray for even freezing, spread about 1 centimeter thickness. Cover and freeze for 5 to 6 hours until fully solid. When frozen, let sit at room temperature for 2-3 minutes so edges loosen, then run a thin spatula underneath to lift. Using a sharp bench scraper, gently roll the sheet into tight kulfi rolls, working steadily to avoid cracks. You finish by adding texture and flavor. Press each roll end into crushed pistachios or a few saffron strands for contrast. Serve the rolls immediately on chilled plates for best mouthfeel, or store them flat in an airtight container in the freezer for 1 to 2 days. If the kulfi sheet cracks while rolling, make sure it was frozen evenly. Briefly warm the tray edge under hot water for a few seconds, or let the sheet soften 5 to 10 minutes to prevent breakage next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.